Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show how we can merge cells in Excel using Apache POI library. So first I'll show the application of merge in Excel file. So I have already opened my Excel. So now I'll merge three cells into single cell using the merge command. I'll search for merge. So now you can see these three cells are merged into single cell. I will show, but this cell is only spawned in one for only one row. Now we will merge four cells that are spawned into three different rows. I'll do the same. So you can see there are two merged cells. One is at row 1 and then one is at row 4, 5 and 6. Let's do the same thing in in Java using the Apache POI library. So I'll open my IntelliJ. So I have already written one test method to test this functionality. Now I will write a new method, merge cells. I'll create the method. So as usual, I will take these two. So I have created a workbook that is of type XLSX, and then have created a sheet with the name sheet 1. Now so in order to achieve the same behavior, first we need to set the we need to add the merged region to the sheet. So there's a method in sheet dot add merged region, which takes the attribute cell address. So I'll create new cell range address, and we'll go to the uh, method definition. You can see you need to pass the row number, that is the first row, the starting row number as first row, and then ending row number as last row, and then the starting column and then the ending column as first column and then last column. So I will go here. Now I will say I will say 0, the starting row index. In it starts with 0 only, not 1, and then the end also 0. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the start row and end row as the first row. That's the reason I have given 0 comma 0, and then starting cell will be 0 and then ending cell will be 2. So now we have created the merge region. Now I will create the row and then add row here, row dot set cell, row dot create cell, 0 dot set cell value merge region. So typically what I'm doing, I created a merge region here, and then I'm adding value merge region. So this is what I am doing with this Java program. So now I will save the Excel file. And anyway, it throws IO exception. So I'm going to add here IO exception. Okay, now we will run it, and then I will show you the result. I will delete this one because this I have created during testing. So now I will debug. Merge cells workbook is created. Now we are creating sheet, and then we are adding the merge region, and then I'm creating row 0, and then I'm creating a cell. I'm writing. Now you can see my cells Excel is created successfully. Now I will open Excel merge cells. See, now you can see this is the Excel merge cells. Now you can see where we merged these three cells into one single cell, and then we added the merged region string to the first cell. Now, so the next question is what happens when you try to add another merged region, which conflicts? So I will say c dot add merged region. So I'll take the same. Um, I will take the same cell address, and then what happens if you try to add the if you try to set the merge region at the same cell address. So if I run this program, so you'll get this error, cannot add merge region A1 to C1 to sheet because it overlaps with an existing merge region. So you cannot add same merge region. Now let's see, for example, in the same row, I will say starting column as 2 and then ending as 5. Since the first merge region is ending at column 3, and then the second merge region also starting with column 3, so these two will conflict. Now also we get the same error. So it overlaps with the already existing merged region. That is for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.